There is a cue card topic for all of you, and the cue card topic is describe a mistake that you have made. And however, I have written this cue card on my blog. I am not sure, you would be able to see the screen of this iPad, and I have made the complete. The written form of this cue card on my blog. You can explore my blog by typing ilsdk.blogspot.com. So I would take the idea from the same topic, so that if whatever I am recording, if you are not very much clear about some of the points, then you can later go on the blog and can explore the whole answer. I have taken the situation of corona pandemic, like I went outside without the having the mask. So let me share the topic, describe a mistake that you have made. So mistakes are the symbols that we are trying something new, we are trying to accomplishing something new and better and more. And a person with no mistakes is a person with no learning, a person with no wisdom. And when I look at my life, when I reflect on my life, I find I have done several mistakes which gave me wonderful and astonishing and staggering outcomes and consequences. Here in this cue card, I would like to share a mistake that I have recently committed during the corona pandemic times. As it is known in the whole world that during corona days, if somebody is leaving his house, then he must wear or he must put on a mask on his face that stops somewhere the chances of spread of the virus. So what happened few weeks back, I think it happened to me in the month of July. This is month of August, last month in the month of July, and it was Sunday morning. My family sent me to buy some groceries from the nearby market, from the nearby a mega mart sort of shop. And I took the money and I took the keys of my two-wheeler, my Activa, and I thought like I am already having the mask in my pocket. So I just went close to Activa and I just put the key, and I thought like I'm having the mask in my pocket. So whenever I find like I am going into the crowded place, I will suddenly put, or I will immediately or simultaneously put the mask on my face. So what happened, as I entered into the market, I find like people are there and crowd is there, and there are chances of some kind of risk. So I put my hand in my pocket, and my hand was empty, and I was terrified at that moment, like how this mistake could I make. Like I am coming out from my home without having any kind of safety measures, and immediately my brain gave me the instruction, go back and first get your mask and then put it on and then come again, because the life is precious, you cannot play with your safety and security. So I came back and I took the mask, and then I went back and I did the shopping activity. But the overall that I want to tell here, the point is the mistake I did is the carelessness, the laziness I shown before leaving my house. I should have better checked my pockets, like do I possess the mask or not. So this was the mistake that I did, and the lesson learned from this mistake is, before going to any sensitive place during the corona days, it is really essential that you carry some kind of sanitizer or sanitization equipment with you and a mask. So this was my take on this cue card. If you are an IELTS aspirant and you are finding some online IELTS tutor for your IELTS classes, then you can take my services. My WhatsApp number is 9996605415. You can come to my blog ilsdk.blogspot.com. If you want me to record any video on any of the latest QCAR topics, you are most welcome. Put any comment below any of my YouTube channel video. I will be making a video on that. Thank you so much for being with me. Thank you. Bye-bye.